Hello kid, today we are going to learn how to be safe while walking up and down the staircase. Well, don't you think we use staircase daily, correct? But when we see the staircase, it's just like a big mountain. But while we climb onto it or climb down it, we should always remember to use some safety tips so that we are always sure of our safety and we don't meet any kind of accidents. So let's see the safety tips with an example. So it was Children's Day in your school and everybody was super excited. Everybody had come in their colorful dresses and they were running here and there, up and down the stairs, just decorating the school. Even you were going in your class to get balloons to decorate the hall. Suddenly, you saw your friend Ravi and his friend just running up the staircase. And when his friend just tried to pass him, he pushed Ravi. So what happened? Losing his balance, he just bumped across the side rail. And there Ravi was falling on the staircase. He had hurt himself very badly. And seeing the whole thing, you got so scared because there were many incidents when you had also been running on the staircase. So now, what do you think? Is it a safe thing to do, that is running on the staircase? Don't you think it's very risky and you can also meet up with an accident if you do so? Well, you're absolutely correct. You should never ever do this thing. So next day, when you come to your school, you see everybody in your class is talking about Ravi's bad fall yesterday. And even your class teacher took this very seriously. Hence, she decided to take a class on safety tips of how to use a staircase. So let's see what are the safety tips that your class teacher wants to share with you. First tip, you should never ever be running on a staircase, because if you do so, it might happen that you might lose your balance and slip off the staircase, finally hurting yourself in a very bad way or else getting a very deep injury. So you should never ever run on the staircase. Second thing, while you are going up or down the staircase, you should never push somebody just to make way for yourself, or else you should never push somebody just to get more space for walking. What happens is, if you push somebody, that person might get disbalanced and might fall off, thereby injuring himself or herself. So you should always take care that you should never push somebody while accessing the staircase. Thirdly, you should remember that staircase is not a place to sit and eat something, because that might take up a lot of space and maybe the people who are trying to walk up or down might not get space due to that. So make sure you never ever sit and eat on the staircase. The fourth point is, make sure you do not throw any food or any slippery items on the staircase, because it might happen that somebody would slip on it and fall down on the staircase, thereby hurting himself and getting massive injuries. So make sure you never ever spill any food or other items on the staircase. The next thing you should remember is, you should never ever walk up or down a wet staircase, because that might be very risky. You might step on the water and fall off. Hence, you should never ever do it. If you see a wet staircase, you should wait so that it gets dried up, or else take a different flight of staircases for your access, so that you are always ensured about your safety. In school, whenever you see your teacher coming up or down the staircase with a huge pile of books, make sure you go and help her out by taking some books and carrying it yourself. Why? because it might happen that due to this huge pile of books, she might not be able to see the stairs properly. And by mistake, if she steps in a wrong way, one wrong step, she can fall down and hurt herself very badly. So always when you see a teacher coming down with a huge pile of books or copies, make sure you always go up to her and help her by sharing her load. Always remember that while availing the staircase, use the handrail, because this side handrail is provided so that you can hold on to it and get a grip while walking up or down the staircase. But if you don't do so, you might fall off and get hurt. So make sure you always use the side handrail while you are availing the staircase. Well, just like it's important to be safe while walking up and down the staircase, also make sure that if you see your friend who has already fallen down on the staircase, don't stand there and laugh at him or her. Instead, be a good kid and go up to him or her and help them out, because this will ensure that you are also safe along with your friends, because accidents can happen at any time to anyone. So make sure you're always helping your friends out in these kind of situations. Finally, the class understood that a flight of staircase is so very important and we use it daily, so we need to remember the safety tips while using it. So what are the safety tips that we have learned here? Firstly, we should never ever run on the staircase. Secondly, we should never push somebody while walking up or down the staircase. Third thing is, whenever a teacher comes down, we should always go up to her and share her load to ensure that she is safe while climbing up or down. Fourth point, whenever you see a wet staircase, never ever walk on it, because you might lose your balance and fall down. So always use a staircase which is dry, or wait for a wet staircase to get dried up. Fifth point is, when you see your friend has fallen down on the stairs, instead of laughing, go up to him or her and help her out so that that person can stand and finally can walk back again. Again, whenever you are thinking of eating something, never sit and eat on the staircase, because that will take a lot of space and will create a problem for the passerbys. And you should always remember that you should never ever spill any food or any slippery item on the staircase, because that might lead to serious accidents. So I'm sure, my dear kid, after following all the safety rules while walking up or down the staircase, you would always be sure of your safety. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So register for free now.